Hello and welcome to my channel. This is episode 1 of Pastry Basics and I'm gonna teach you how to make a classic eggless chocolate sponge. This turns out super fluffy, airy, light and intensely chocolatey. This recipe also works perfectly in the microwave. It's also a very easy and simple one bowl recipe, which means you do not need any extra utensils. So in a bowl we'll first take hot water, then add an instant coffee powder and unsweetened cocoa powder. This step is called blooming the cocoa powder and coffee, which intensifies the flavor of both of them. Now add powdered sugar to this and mix until there are no lumps and the sugar is well dissolved. Next we'll add in some neutral oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but this works great with coconut oil and olive oil as well. Now for our egg replacement we'll add homemade yogurt to this. You could also use store-bought Greek yogurt. Now we'll add a small spoon of baking soda. Yogurt and baking soda combined acts as an egg replacement and brings that fluffiness and softness to our sponge. Now for the dry ingredients, add sifted all-purpose flour and baking powder. Now using a whisk, mix all of this until just combined and there are no lumps. Do not overmix because overmixing develops gluten, which will result in a dense and chewy cake. Gentle folding ensures a soft and moist texture. Now instead of parchment paper, I always prefer to grease my pans with a little oil and flour. Transfer the batter into your greased tin and bake at 170 degrees in a preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. Let your sponge cool in the tin for 15 minutes and after you demold on a wire rack for another 15 minutes. And that's it, it's ready. It is flexible, it is soft, moist, all good things in one. Enjoy.